Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already signed into Outlook, so begin by enabling focused inbox and device sync. This avoids later mismatches. Next, create 3-5 folders that match your workflow: action, waiting, archive, reference, so you have structure from the first message. Once done, set your inbox view to show conversations and compact reading pane because that speeds triage. Make sure rules and quick steps are visible in the ribbon so you can apply automation immediately. This sets up the actions you'll build next. You'll now automate repetitive sorting by creating targeted rules. Route newsletters to a newsletters folder, receipts to finance, manager mail to boss, and client threads to client folders. After that, build quick steps for common actions like move plus mark read or reply plus template so one click does multi-step work. Once those are in place, apply categories and conditional formatting to highlight high-priority senders. This makes visual triage instantaneous. Make sure testing uses a few example messages to confirm each rule. You finish by setting a weekly 15-minute maintenance habit. Clear the action folder, archive messages older than 90 days, and tidy categories. Then export or backup your rules and PSD so you can restore setup quickly if needed. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting methodically. Verify server sync status, check filters and focused inbox rules, search by sender and subject, and rebuild the search index if results are missing. One final tip: disable overlapping rules and retest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.